In this video, the Bitcoin price bounced off from the 50-week moving average exactly as predicted. But the question is, are we out of the woods for the Bitcoin price as well as the whole crypto market? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So look at this guys, the Bitcoin price has right now bounced off from the 50-week moving average, and diba, as what I've been telling you for the past few weeks, this is the similar area kung saan tayo nakuha ng bounce from the Bitcoin May capitulation as well as the September red month. So diba sinasabi ko sa inyo na we were expecting a bounce dito sa 50-week moving average kasi yun yung isa sa pinakamalaking strong support natin. So now the question remains to be answered is, are we now out of the woods? So to answer that, I think we need to look at this in the short term right now kasi diba, the long term is yung pinaka nagmamatter ngayon. And looking at the long term, wala tayong sell volume, and right now we just had this weekly candle close na open. Ano ba yung sinasabi ngayon na ating shorter time frame? So if we're going to look at the shorter time frame, you can see na we are now actually starting to form this massive support area around the 47 up until the 51,000 US dollars. So it's indicating actually na meron tayong strong support. You can actually see na previously it acted as a support, and then nung na-break natin siya, it acted as a resistance. And now, right now, I think this is going to act as a support. So you can see na the Bitcoin price right now is actually playing within that area. And if we're going to look at that closely, we also have that pretty strong bounce at the 47,000 US dollars, and I think it's going to consolidate dito further. But right now, what is the more likely scenario na pwede mangyari dito? Are we out of the woods? So to answer that, I think maganda din tingnan dito is the resistance na nag-form. So on top of this support, let's try to draw this resistance forming on top. So you can see na meron tayong resistance at the 55,000 US dollars. So kahit umakit si Bitcoin dito, I think we might get rejected by the 55,000 US dollars. And on top of that, resistance na nag-form dito sa ating time frame, dito sa ating shorter time frame, you can also try to look at this in the Fibonacci retracement tool. So let's look at the Fibonacci retracement tool and open that one up. So as you can see, yung ating current area na kung saan tayo nagkaroon ng bounce is actually a Fibonacci retracement support. So you can see na it actually bounced off exactly at the Fibonacci retracement support. So indicating dito sa ating analysis na everything is still on track, and so far our analysis has been pretty much on point. And as you can see, itong Fibonacci support na pinalot natin dati, it's actually still playing. So right now, we are still looking good with the Bitcoin price right now, and I think we are still going to consolidate pa dito. In order for us to flip bullish kay Bitcoin as well as the whole crypto market, we need to break the 57,000 US dollars in order for us to see a bullish price action kay Bitcoin. So right now, for me, we are not yet out of the woods, but I'm expecting a recovery. Yun lang, yung recovery is more of a consolidation within the 47 up until the 57,000 US dollars. Kasi dun tayo meron support and resistance. And if you're going to see, wala pa tayong buy or sell volume na nag-form. So yeah, that's why I'm expecting more consolidation within this area. And looking at this, you can see, kitang-kita talaga dito yung ating support and resistance area, especially sa Fibonacci retracement. I know, meron tayong area dyan within the 618 area ng Fibonacci retracement. So as you can see, everything is pretty much playing within this area talaga for the Bitcoin price. So expect more consolidation, and the reason why I'm still expecting more consolidation, kasi if you're going to look at this in the weekly time frame, there's no such thing na dire-diretso na tayo umakit after hitting that bounce. Kasi look at this. Even after nitong first bounce, nag-play out pa din tayo sa second candle within this area. And if you're going to zoom that one in, dito sa latest action, you can see na that area is actually a consolidation area pa din. Nagkaroon pa din tayo ng pullback before heading to an upside movement. Pagdating na mo yung bigger time frame, akala mo na wala nangyayari, pero you can see na meron tayong intra-cycle volatility. Kasi sa shorter time frame, nagkakaroon tayo ng consolidation, nagkakaroon ng pullback. So that's why I'm expecting more consolidation pa muna dito within this area. Kasi yun nga, wala pa din tayong any signs of trend reversal signals yet other than this consolidation area and the support area. So right now, that is what we are expecting for the Bitcoin price. Now, how does this pan out for the whole crypto market? So with that being said, let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. As you can see, in Bitcoin dominance, diba, dito tayo sa area na yan. And look at that, we actually went down, playing off from this wedge exactly as predicted. So right now, everything is still on track with our analysis as well as the whole crypto market. And as you can see, nag-form tayo actually ng possible bear flag or either na wedge. So if this breaks to the downside, then we might see a massive Bitcoin season if this breaks to the downside. If let's say we are going to continue this bear flag, but if this breaks bullish, then yeah, we are going to see a Bitcoin season. If let's say nag-break to pataas. So right now, we need to monitor this closely if we are going to get a bounce. Kasi if nag-bounce to, then yeah, we are going to see a Bitcoin season. In that case, we are going to invest more with the Bitcoin price. But if this breaks to the downside, then we are going to invest again with altcoins. And in that being said, ito yung i-invest na natin. We are going to follow this area ito to the downside. So we are going to take each milestones one step at a time. If nag-break to the downside, in that case, that is an altcoin season. Now remember, just to give you a quick recap dito regarding the Bitcoin dominance, if pababa to, it would indicate na altcoins is going to perform better against Bitcoin. Pero if let's say pataas to, then that would mean Bitcoin is going to perform better against altcoins. So right now, what we want to see is this to decline para yung mga altcoins natin tumaas against Bitcoin. And with that being said, let's dive into different altcoins such as Ethereum. As you can see, Ethereum is still playing out within this descending triangle. But as you can see, meron din tayo support at the 4K area which played out exactly as predicted. So right now, everything is looking very good right now for the whole crypto market. Especially sa ating mga analysis. And as you can see, if ma-break natin to, our more likely target would be the 4.7K as well as the 4.8K. So as you can see right now, we still expect more consolidation dito sa Ethereum price action similar with Bitcoin. But as you can see, Ethereum is just pretty much moving sideways, indicating that it's actually looking healthy right now. So that is for the Ethereum price action. And guys, if you want to trade Ethereum and Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can actually trade it with Bingbon kasi dito mas mura ating Bitcoin trading fees. And if you want to get bonus dito sa ating mga trading platform, you can actually use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. And last but not the least, let's give you a quick update kay BNB kasi as you can see, kay BNB nag-bounce off din tayo exactly as predicted with the $530 area. And look at that, we are still playing within that area kay BNB na consolidation. So pretty much the same with Ethereum. This is a swing tradable opportunity. You can buy at the support and then sell at the resistance. Right now, we have a resistance at the $600 as well as the $640 So right now, yun yung ating swing tradable opportunity dito with BNB price action. And guys, if you want to stake BNB, pwede nyo din siya actually stake crypto.com on top of CRO as well as other altcoins. Kasi dito, if you're going to stake any other altcoins dito, you can actually stake and earn up to 14.5 interest per annum if you're going to stake coins. And then 14% on stable coins, ganun kalaking interest rate dito kay crypto.com. And if you want to claim up to $50 bonus kay crypto.com, just use my sign-up code which is GABSCrypto, or you can actually use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. So yun muna update natin for today guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.